Shalom everybody, hello. In this short video I'm going to teach you a Hebrew hack that will make you speak Hebrew even better. So one of the most common mistakes I think non-Hebrew speakers do is to say or to use shall without using the definite article ha. As a rule of thumb, remember to almost always use ha before shall, whether it is conjugated or not. So here are some examples. הבית שלי, המכונית של אבא שלי, בית הספר של דנה. Note that the definite article comes on the noun before shall as well as the noun after it, if existed. Remember, a proper name is also considered to be definite, so it never gets the article. So we can say הבית של המנהל, but הבית של דן. But if you thought it's going to be easy, then think again. As I said at the beginning, there are some exceptions. First, family members ending with the aleph at the end won't get the article ha. So we should say של אמא, של אבא, של סבא, של סבתא, but no need to add ha. Also, אמא של, אבא של, etc. Colloquially, you can also hear people omitting the ha before the words brother and sister, and they might even say אח שלי ואחות שלי, even though the article should be added. In these two cases anyway, it is better to just say achi or achoti. And here it is getting a bit tricky. All I have said is true only when the meaning of shall is possession. Unfortunately, shall has other usages in which all I said is just false. Sorry. In these cases, no need to put a definite article. These cases are when shall is used for material like כלוב של זהב, quantity like bad של 3 מטרים, or purpose like סכין של ירקות. In all of these cases, by the way, Hebrew will prefer using the smichut, but this is a subject for another video. One last thing, because nothing in life is simple, remember that there are some cases in which shall comes with a noun that is indefinite. It happens when it is one of many. So for example, תלמיד שלי אמר לי שאני מורה מצוין. This is one student out of many, or at least few, so we keep the noun indefinite, unless we speak of a specific student, and then we will say, התלמיד שלי אמר לי. But remember, in most cases we will use the definite article ha before using shall. And when you put shall, don't forget to add את when needed. קניתי את החולצה שלי בחנות הזאת. Hope I made your Hebrew learning a bit easier. See you next time. להתראות.